Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HelloHelper, and friend, today we are going to learn how to uninstall programs and apps in Windows 11. So friend, in this tutorial I will guide you step by step all the things. So friend, you will learn something new. And friend, this is request to you guys, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of unique tutorials every day. So friend, here we are going to remove unusual apps from your Windows 11. So first of all, what we will do, here we are going to click on this start button and simply type control panel. When we type control, then you will see this control panel section. You simply click on that. So control panel will open, and here we want to uninstall programs, right? So you simply get this option programs, you simply click over there, so you will get this option. Okay, and friend, here you will see this uninstall a program. Just click on that. So friend, here you will see all the things are showing which apps are already installed into your PC, and here if you want to remove something, then you will do the same thing, which right now I'm going to do that. So friend, right now I want to remove some software, like here I want to remove this software. Okay, so what I will do, simply click on that software which you want to remove and then right click on that. So whenever you right click, then you will get this uninstall option, or simply select and here you will get this uninstall button. You simply click on that. So you will get one pop-up box to user control, and this is asking you want to remove it. So here I'm going to click on this yes button, and here you will get the more options, so you will get the idea about it. So here I'm going to click on this yes button. So here this is asking me you want to remove it. For example, you will get this message, are you sure you want to uninstall Xmine? Here I want to yes, so click on OK button. So by this way you can easily uninstall programs into your Windows 11. So friend, right now we can see Xmine is removed from my computer. So by this way you can easily uninstall any apps from your computer. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily uninstall programs from your Windows 11. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If you like this tutorial, then please click on like button and comment into what things you like into this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.